Now, for this section, I got another brand new starting project for you. And again, it's a relatively straightforward, simple Node Express application, which in this case has one main page where I'm rendering some login form with an email and a password field. And as you can see, I already got some HTMX attributes on those inputs here, and I'll get back to those in the next lectures, of course. And then I also got a validate post route here, which accepts the submission of some input field and which will then validate the entered value and output an error message if something's wrong. But again, I will get back to that and explore how that works in greater detail over the next lectures. But I then also got a login route where I again perform validation and where we could then store that user data in some database, for example. And I got another get route for a different page, which should be loaded after a user did successfully log in. Now, here in this demo application, I don't have an actual login flow. I'm not using a database. I'm not really storing user data because that's nothing where HTMX would do anything. That would all be server-side tasks instead, and therefore I kept this application relatively simple and lean so that we can focus on the core HTMX features. Now, in order to follow along, you should therefore download the attached starting project and then run npm install in that downloaded project folder initially to install all required dependencies, and then run npm start to bring up that development server. And once you did that, you should be able to visit localhost 3000 and you should then see a page that looks something like this on the screen. And that's now what we're going to work on.